Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to insert SIM card and use eSIM on iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, need two things, so pin and SIM. So you will see, so hold phone and pin is insert here. So you will see. So after insert pin, card is showing here, so insert SIM here. So after insert SIM, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting click on mobile services. Now here click on set up mobile services. So you will see, after click on set up mobile services, showing you use QR scan, so anyone. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can insert SIM card and use eSIM on iPhone 17 Pro Max. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.